Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, El Cuatro Official. And for today's video, may pag-uusapan po tayo na platform kung saan pwede po kayo mag-apply for part-time jobs or if you want a full-time. And if you're currently working, mas maganda po ito kasi isa po itong work na kayo po yung magse-schedule ng time para sa inyo po, convenience, okay? So, before we start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification button sa baba. And also, please share my videos. Alright, so wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go ahead and let's talk about Gig CX Marketplace. So, currently po guys, magsa-start na po ako ng training this coming Monday and I was assigned sa kanilang Corom campaign. It's a car rental as a appointment coordinator. So I'm very happy. Currently, I have a full-time job and nag-apply po ako sa Gig CX Marketplace to have a part-time job. Okay, so let's go ahead. So ito po, platform nila, punta lang po kayo sa gigcxmarketplace.com and then yan, ito po yung login page. So if wala pa po kayong account, just click on sign up. Alright? So after that, may option sila na mag-sign up with Google or Gmail account. And then if you already have, okay, so let's just choose Google. And then I'll choose my Gmail. And then after that, yan, sign up. Okay. Your first name, last name, email, yung country, kung saan po kayo located, yung province. Okay. Yan. And then sign up. Yan lang po. And then makakatanggap po kayo ng email for confirmation. Okay? So, isa-show ko sa inyo yung dashboard ng platform na ito. Okay guys, so narito po tayo ngayon sa platform or sa dashboard ng GigCX Marketplace. So if you want to know your username, just click on this and then go to my profile and then it will give you your username. Okay? So usually po it's your first dot your last name. Okay? So sa taas or sa upper part portion ng dashboard, makikita nyo po is menus like marketplace, apply gigs, schedules, communications, learn, and resources. Alright, and then sa left corner, makikita nyo mga available campaigns na pwede nyong applyan. So, like this one, live live exchange contract, mass numerous. So ngayon po is maraming nag-apply sa Experigo. Meron ditong Pizza Hut, order entry, currently or franchises first. So yung in-applyan ko po ngayon na magsa-start na sa Monday, I mean is Quorum and it's not available sa Gig Marketplace because puno na po yung slot nila. Okay? So, sa gig marketplace po, just ano lang po, advice ko lang po sa inyo, dapat mabilis pa kayo kasi if hindi po kayo mabilis mag-schedule ng training or ng appointment, maubos na talaga yung slot. For example, sa akin, nag-orient po kami nung, I think that was Wednesday or Tuesday, I already forgot it. But nag-orient kami and sabi, yung nag-apply daw is more than 400 and yung kailangan nila is only 45 people. So, kailangan mabilis kayo kasi may na-hire na po na kasama ko and hindi siya nakapag-proceed because there's no option for him to schedule a training. Okay? So, if puno na, wala na talaga. Hintayin na naman kayo sa next gig um, sa campaign po na gusto nyong applyan. Okay? So, and okay po. So, dito, mag-apply po kayo. Choose nyo lang po yung gusto nyong applyan na related sa ano niyo ng tawag dito, sa experience niyo. Kagaya nito, if gusto niyo itong apply itong franchises first, no, Pizza Hut, order entry, they were going to give you $3.50 per hour, and it will show you the gig description, yung description ng call, if it's inbound or outbound, and then yung experience na hinahanap nila, experience skills, yan. Ability to speak clearly, effectively, and communicate well over the phone, the ability to work in a fast-paced environment and self-motivated, operating hours nila, yan. Yan, Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 1 o'clock a.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. And kailangan ang minimum is makapag-work ka sa kanila 15 hours per week with 8 hours during peak periods to maintain contract eligibility. Yeah, no maximum limit of hours you can work per week based on availability. So, if may available na slot, get nyo lang po if you want to work. Wala po silang limit. Kahit na mag 50 hours per week ka dyan, okay lang sa kanila. At as long na ma-hit nyo yung quota na 15 hours per week. Okay? Yan. Isa-show din nila yung mga peak or busy times dyan. And then yung mandatory requirements, sa ibang gig, makikita nyo dito, like for example, ito, nakikita nyo yung mga mandatory requirements po sa PC. Yung processor nyo kailangan Core i3 or higher, kailangan yung PC nyo 8 gig RAM or higher, and ang download speed and upload speed must be 6 megabits per second. And meron mga account dito na or campaign na kailangan may previous experience kayo na nakapag-work na kayo sa gig CX. But sa experience ko, this is my first time working with them. But na-hire pa rin po ako, so I'm very happy. And after that, just click on apply if you want to apply. Yan. Fill out nyo lang po yung mga details siya. Next. Kailangan may WhatsApp kayo. Then next lang. Yan. Next. Yung mga experience nyo, lagay nyo lang. And then, may voice interview po sila. So, kailangan meron po kayong noise cancellation headset. Okay, para clear yung boses nyo, and then click on next. So, bibigyan kayo nila ng questions, and all questions are mandatory. So, kailangan i-answer nyo silang lahat. So, the first question is, what is your name? Click on start recording, then stop, click on next. Alright, so describe a time when you had to multitask to achieve expected results. I-answer nyo lang po yan and click on next. So, that's it. And after that, if ever na tapos na po kayo dito, there's an option for you to schedule an interview, and then makaka-receive din kayo ng email about it. Alright guys, so for example, nag-apply po ako sa Quorum, and then after ng application, meron kang marireceive na email to confirm that you applied for that campaign, yan, as an appointment coordinator. And then, wait nyo yung schedule for interview. And then, makareceive kayo ng email for the interview. So, click nyo lang yung link dito for you to schedule your interview. Dapat mabilis kayo na choose ng slot, because if hindi, maraming nag apply, mawawalan kayo ng slot. There's no option for you to schedule an interview. And so, ang interview pa nila is yung mag-interview sa inyo is ano talaga, like HR, and hindi siya robot, like person or anong kind of application na ginagamit ng mga BPOs. So, yeah, yan po. May initial interview, and if you pass the initial interview, meron po siyang parang congratulations na nakapasa kayo and nakapag-choose na kayo ng slot for training. Yan. Or I mean option for you to choose a slot for the training. Schedule yan. Click nyo lang po yung link dito. So after niyo po mag-choose ng schedule for training, next makaka-receive na kayo ng congratulations email na nakasaad diyan na kung kailan yung training date, 'yan, yung mandatory technical check na and then kailangan niyong magkaroon ng USB type, I mean USB flash drive, at least 16 gigabytes of, that USB flash drive kasi diyan po dina-download yung mga tools na kailangan niyo, okay. So after that magkakaroon kayo ng orientation, an hour orientation, i-discuss yung mga kailangan niyo sa training and then yung technical check. And after that, yung pay. Ang schedule ng mga pay nyo within that year and yung yung platform or yung website or your link for PayShark. Yung PayShark po is it is like PayPal. Doon po kayo register ng bank account nyo for your pay. And yeah, if meron pa kayong questions, pwede po kayo magtanong doon sa orientation. And then, ito po, makaka-receive kayo ng email, yung mga kailangan niyong gawin during training. So, kailangan po talaga magkaroon po kayo ng technical check prior sa training and kailangan ma-pass niyo yung technical check because if not, hindi po kayo makaka-proceed sa training. Okay? So, during training po, ensure your camera is on and your full face must be on camera at all times. Mag-login po kayo sa tools nyo or sa SWS. It is like a remote desktop na naka-install doon sa flash drive and kailangan na open yung GigCX email nyo during training hours. Kailangan yung magkaroon ng 100% noise-free or distraction home office environment and magbibigay sila ng an hour lunch break and dalawang 15 minutes breaks. Okay, so after that, okay, so after ng technical check and makaka-receive kayo ng um, another email confirming that they are pleased to inform you that you have already completed the technical setup for the upcoming quorum training na or yan po or kung anong yung campaign yan ang nakalagay diyan sa email nyo and kailangan on time. So may nag-advise sa akin na currently working dito na kailangan daw is hindi ka nagko-commit ng absences or walang technical issues, walang internet issues or power outage. So you need to have a backup internet and if walang power sa area, if meron pa kayong generator or may kikilala kayo, madala nyo yung mga equipment nyo sa different place na makapag-work kayo or sa mga coffee shops. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for me for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And please like and subscribe and share also this video if it helps you. Thank you so much, guys. So if you have questions, you can just comment down below. And try ko po yung best ko na i-answers lahat yung mga questions niyo sa akin. Okay? So thank you so much and have a wonderful day for all of us. Thank you.